Bergman, who has captured the imagination of the world, now brings us his latest perceptive and most satisfying motion picture, starring Gunnar Bjornstrand, detached, torn between love for his daughter and a writer's curiosity to self-indulgence. Max von Sydow, star of The Seventh Seal and The Virgin...
La mente puede ser el lugar más peligroso, donde la realidad empieza a romperse. Una familia, un secreto y una verdad imposible de enfrentar. Si te dejó pensando Shutter Island, esto te va a desestabilizar. Porque aquí, nada es lo que parece. Y todo está más cerca de lo que crees. ¿Confiarías en tu propia mente?
Is most powerful from the distinguished cast of The Seventh Seal and The Magician as the father. Intellectual, watch and observe her degradation. Stunned and horrified with the impact of his own spring as the husband. Suffering the torments of unending frustration as the brother. At the tender time of life between childhood and manhood, his sister. And in one of the most brilliant performances in the history of the motion real world as wife, daughter, and sister. But all the time being through a glass darkly, Ingmar Bergman has explored the deepest and most personal